You guys take a look at this. Show you guys how to get in and get out of charts. Today we're using the MA20, 50, and 200. And MA20 is the blue line, 50 is our brown line, and the yellow line is our MA200. Just means that the last 200 closing price is averaged out on this yellow line, MA200. MA50, the last 50 closing price is averaged out on this line. And now, of course, the MA20, the last 20 candles closing price is averaged out on this line. And down here we have our RSI. It's set at 6, 2, and 20. Let me show you guys here. 6, 2, and 20. And that's the, oh, we're only using the 2 and the 20 at this time. Alright. Alright, let's see what's going on here. As you can see, this is 524. You see where our blue line, you see the colors up here, blue, orange, yellow. This is the way you want to see them on the chart. Blue line first, then you want to see the orange line and the yellow. Alright, this right here would be a nice entry right here where our blue line crosses over our yellow line right here. A nice entry right here, and you'd stay in it. You know why you'd stay in it? Because this point is lower than that point. As long as your point don't go lower than this one, you stay in it. So you'd stay in it. Is the point comes here and then it still goes back up again, and it comes back to this almost the same exact spot but a little lower. Now it's time to start thinking about getting out. You don't have to go back to the top again. It's time to get out somewhere on this line going back up. You want to get out here because once you start getting on the downside, you're going into the red zone. You can see up top, we're going into the red zone as we go down. Safer to just get out right here, right about somewhere around here. You're not really missing much. I'm going to show you something now. If you look at this point right here, and then you have a higher point and a higher point, this is telling you that the stock is in a nice uptrend here. You got a lower, a little bit higher, and a bit higher than that before. So you can get in. I would get in on the second higher one. I would get in somewhere over here and then start looking to get out when it start to come back over here to my yellow line on the downside, or even over here on the upside. Get out over here, because as it crosses over to the point, you gotta start planning to execute your trade to get out. What I'd really like to show you guys is the perfect entry. The perfect entry would be right. You see, this is a low point, and I'm showing you guys. Look, low, higher, higher, uptrend. You see that? It goes here. It's going low. The second one, where you jump in. Third, you start to look to get out. The third one, you see go up past your 70 line. Start to look to get out over here, because now we're in the overbought area. But this right here is so nice. Perfect setup right here. Because you see where you have your lower spot here, then it goes higher here, and it touches the yellow line. Perfect entry right here. You get in here, and you just ride it all the way up there. And as soon as you get up to the top here, you see it start turning down. Time to get out. So you get out on this candle right here, up top. Perfect entry. You know why it's perfect? Because your blue line is lining up perfectly. Your blue line crosses over your orange line, and it's above the yellow line. Right there. See that? Perfect entry. Perfecto mundo. You go here, it goes low. Volume drops down. So you want to get in right here. Right where it touches there. And it just goes up. Nice entry right there. So when you're looking at the chart, you're not going to see what's on the right hand side. You're going to be seeing this form. Then this line is going to go up. You're going to take 10 minutes to go all the way up here. Then it's going to take 10 minutes to go all the way across here. Then it's going to take 10 minutes to come all the way down here. So you have time. It's a 10-minute chart. And you can go way back, and then you can look. You can get in right here too. Here's another one where it's touching the yellow line. Perfect entry right here. Perfect entry right here. Can't lose. You get in right here, and then you get out right here. Do an option call right here. 1 or 2 contracts. You close your contract. Let me see, 10. That's 10 minutes. 20 minutes later, you close your contract. Don't be greedy. 20 minutes later, you close your contract. Take your profits and get out. And then you wait. You know, you could have done a put right here and even make money on the way down. This thing is going from 333 all the way down to 333.13. We have here this was a high of 333.27, and this is 333.13. This is don't forget, this is following the close. 333.18, 333.05. These lines are following the close of the candle. So you look at the C up here. The letter C is for close. So it closed here at 333.13. So this is where you'd get out. This is where you'd get out. This is where you'd get in at 332. And out at 333, $1 up. Alright guys, 10-minute chart. You can also do 1-hour chart if you like. It works in any one of them. Same thing here. It's a nice entry right here. Right where it touches the line. This is a 1-hour chart now. You see you have lower and then it's moving higher. This is your closing candle. It's closing lower, then it closed higher over here, then it closed even higher over here. So you want to get in right here, right here. This is where it ends. I don't know what's going to do tomorrow, so we'll see. We'll see if this square off like over here. You could stay up there, stay right across there for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Oh wait, this is a 1 hour. This is 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 7. It's a nice run right here. This takes an hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hours to go across here. That's a whole day it was going up. Whole day. So you'd start here at what time is this? 5, and get out all the way up to 10 hours later. Just 15. I mean, that's something. Actually, you'd get in at 9 o'clock right here and get out 14, 30, or 15, 30. So you see, You see how easy this, guys? It's not rocket science. Just use the same thing and just follow the pattern. Just follow the pattern. Just follow the pattern. You don't even have to think about losing money or making money. Just concentrate on getting in and getting out, and then you'll see the results. Focus on getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out. Don't think about the money. If you're thinking about the money, you're going to be losing your trades. You will be losing your trades. There's no thinking here. Let's try another chart. Let's try AMC. So it doesn't even matter what stock it's going to be the same thing. Now look, this we just crossed over here, and this is showing that it's going lower. So you don't want to get in here. See, it go high to low to lower. So now this could be a good spot to get in, because this is when it's turning to go up. It could have turned and go up and to come back down. You got to be careful. This is a 1 hour chart. Anyway, it will take some time. But if you're on the 1 hour chart and you see this turning up, yeah, you could jump in right there. And then it shows that this is a lower spot where they came down, and even a higher lower spot, and a higher lower spot. So you could have ride this from here all the way to here. What a run. You know, from 1363 to 1657. From 9:30 all the way up to the end of the day, the whole day. That was a nice run. Look, we have another run over here where it started here, cross over a yellow line, right here, and then it started going. It got a high point, a higher point, then it came low, but it didn't come down to our yellow line, so you could have hang in there and ride it out. See, all the way over here, then it touches our yellow line here, which is probably time to get out, because then it went up a little and then just dropped, boom, and then lower and then lower. So you would have been losing money here from here, 1372 all the way down to 1363. Lose some money right there. You know what I'm saying? Let's go to a 10-minute chart on this and see what this. Ooh, look at this beauty. So now if you've been playing it for 10 minutes, ooh, look at this right here, guys. Wow. We got a low point here, a low point here, and a perfect entry. You see this, guys? We're touching the yellow line. Perfect entry. If you guys just look for it, just look for a lower point and a higher point where it touches the yellow line. And once you see this line start to go back up, you getting in, because it's going up. There's nowhere else for it to go but up. Once you see it touch the yellow line right here and the line start to turn up, you're gonna see the line turning up. It's gonna be going back and forth like this. Blink, 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 blink. You get in, and you can put your stop loss down here. You know, you can put your stop loss at the last candle down here. We get in here at 1431 and put your stop loss 1428. You know, I'd probably do like 1400. Get in at 1431, stop loss 1400. So I only lose 30 cents. But then it would have gone up and rode this bit. Ooh, nice. Rode all the way up there until it came passing your yellow line. Time to get out. Time to get out. See that? This is a 10-minute. So you'd see this bend and a little piece of line pointing down. That'd be 10 minutes, and then this would be another 10 minutes. So you'd have time. This is 20 minutes right here. 10 minutes, 20 minutes to get out. Just like that, guys. And came back up here and touch. Now what we have, you see, this is a little bit lower, but not enough to make a decision. So you could have waited until it crossed over this yellow line, then jump in again. Alright, it's all the way up there, and it come back. As it come back down, this is, let me see, this is 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes you could have ride this thing and make some money. You see what I'm saying, guys? That's it. Better yet, if you want to be a really good trader, you jump in here, you sell it, you set it to automatically sell at 10% and get out. This is more than 10% right here. 1545 all the way to 1651. That's over $1. It's almost 10%. $16 would be, no, $1.60 would be 10%. So you're looking at almost 7% here. Still good. It's better than nothing. Get out, and then it's drop all the way down here. Then look, a lower point, a higher point, and then the line start to go up here in 10 minutes. Jump in again, ride it all the way up here. Now you could have rode it for a longer period of time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 minutes right there before it start coming back down again. You don't need to study anything or think scientifically or drive yourself crazy. Just follow the market. You know, this stock is flowing. AMC is flowing really nicely. This is 525.21, and this thing is about to bust. With all the short squeeze that they have on this thing, it's gonna go crazy soon. It's gonna go crazy. All right, guys. Hope you all just follow this easy pattern. Set your chart up. Get your MA numbers in. You know, get your MA, your 20, your 50, and your 200 lines in. And you do your RSI 6, 2, and 20. 6, 2, and 20. And then you just wait, be patient, and just follow the pattern. Look, jump in. Average touching the yellow line. Jump in. It goes up. You see it start to point down. Your 10-minute chart. Get out. You know, if you wanna go faster, I wouldn't suggest this for a new person. If you're new to trading, because this is a lot faster. 2 minutes or 1 minute charts. Same thing. See, we got a lower line here, a lower line here, right here. Touch the yellow line, jump in right here, and then you got to jump out 2 or 3 minutes later. See what I'm saying? You got to be really quick with this one. Jump in. You start. You're on the low, overbought. It's turning up. Touches your yellow line here, and your RSI, your 30 line. Jump in, ride it all the way up. It comes back down. It almost passes the yellow line. You'd have to decide if you want to wait or get out. And then it goes all the way back up again and keep going up until it comes way past the yellow line all the way down. Creates a low. And it's still higher than this one. Because this one is, these two are lower. So it's still basically in an uptrend. On the 1 minute chart, still in an uptrend. It went back up. It touches our yellow line here and comes back down. And as you can see up here, this is where the actual trend really changed right here. When the blue line crosses over, it starts to go up. But then you see our candlesticks came down into the blue line area, touching our orange line, and then went back up. Better if you guys if you're not quick on those buttons, it's better to stick with the 10 minute. Look how beautiful this is. This thing is just riding that blue line, contracted back to the your MA20 here, crosses over, rides it for a little bit, and then go up again, just like that. It's on a 2 minute chart. Now it's consolidating again. See that? It's just consolidating. It's just going between here and there. Consolidation. You want to get in when it crosses over, and your candles, a lot of green candles. I think people are buying up this thing now. They want this thing to roll. Alright guys, well, thank you guys for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and remember there's Webull free stocks up to $1,800. There's Robinhood, and there's Bitmart. Bitmart is a cryptocurrency, one of the biggest cryptocurrency app. The second biggest, I think, in the world. Check it out. All right. Thank you all. Have a good